everyone, Mandy from Exquisite Floral, bringing you an exciting video tonight. I showed you how to do ribbons and bows, and now I'm having my 13-year-old daughter, Bronwyn, and my husband, Adam, who usually is behind the camera. They're going to attempt to do bows. Ironically enough, they've never done bows, even though we own a floral shop. They have never made bows before, so this is going to be their first initial attempt at making bows based on watching the video that I did. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, you're going to start with your tail. Okay. Small loop, smaller, there you go. Pinch it and twist. One twist, that's all it takes. Now loop towards yourself. Pinch it in. And twist. And loop away from yourself a little bit bigger, just a little bit. There you go. Pinch it in. And twist. Towards yourself. You actually don't have to actually twist it wrong, because it's the same on both sides. So as long as you pinch it in, because it's the same side of ribbon, you don't have to twist. A little bit bigger than the next one. And pinch. In between fingers. There you go. Line them up. There you go, pinch it in. You want to go right back to the same point every time so that they're lining up on each other. Towards yourself. And now make your tail. Pull and twist. There you go. Now cut your tail. And now fluff out your bow. happy with your fluffing yet? No? Are you almost happy with your fluffing? Okay. And there we have a bow by a 13-year-old. Yay! Okay, so in front of me is my husband, Adam. And Adam is going to make my mom's bow. So he's going to start with his middle loop. And he's going to pinch it. And then he's going to make his first loop towards himself. And he's going to pinch and twist. And he's going to make a loop away from himself. And he's going to pinch. Fingers are getting good exercise, eh, honey? And twist. And now he's going to make another loop towards himself, slightly bigger than the first one. He's going to pinch and twist. And a loop away from himself. And pinch and twist. And towards yourself. And pinch. And twist. And away from yourself. Pinch. And now you're going to make your tails. So bring it up. How long of a tail are you making? Those are going to be some big tails. You make it a little longer than that. There you go. Pinch it in. And then twist. And give it a little yank because that's going to be your third tail. Now you can put your wire through. So put it through the middle bow, or middle loop. Slide it through your fingers. There you go. Pull it down. Pull tight. And twist the wires. Twist them nice and tight. There you go, and now you can cut your tails. You can have really uneven tails. And cut your third tail there. And now you can fluff out your bow. So remember pulling up and down to make it look fluffy You can let go of the middle, honey. And there's Adam's bow.